morning, students. Once again, I welcome you to our online lecture sessions. As you know, we have already started our revision session in which we have completed three lessons, and let's complete the fourth one. We'll just see some of the important questions. Okay, today we are taking the lesson Anita the Beekeeper. It is vlog 6, revision session number 4. This lesson is very easy. Still, if you have any questions or queries even after this revision session, you can ask me the same. Okay, you can call me or you can message me. These are the new words which we have seen in this particular lesson. Okay, so you need to just find out their meanings in case you have any difficulty regarding the understanding of the same. First word is graze. We know that whenever we have animals like cows, goats, we need to take them for grazing. Okay, where are the grasslands? There, these animals used to take for grazing. Okay, so that they can have that grass. Government, we know. Bee hive. Okay, you can see bee hive on the trees if you observe. Okay, bee hive. Wholesaler. Okay, one who sells the things in wholesale quantity, like if you want 100 pieces you'll get on cheap rate. Okay, wholesaler. Beside means except that. Nectar. Nectar is sweet liquid which we get in the flowers. Okay, that is called as nectar. District, as we know that there are many talukas. Okay, many talukas are there, and when the talukas are together, there is one more thing is there, that is district. Okay, under the district all the talukas come, like ours is a Raigad district. Okay, we have taluka Alibag and our district is Raigad. So under the Raigad all the talukas come. Sting. Okay, we know honeybee sting or any other insect, it sting. Bite, it is called as sting. Continue. Continue we know very well. Continue means what? Without any interruption, which goes on and on. Lychee, it's a sweet fruit, very small, and when we open it we get something like jelly, white jelly. Okay, completed, the work which is finished, called as completed. Okay, let's check this word meaning. These are the important one and these are from the textbook. They have given this. Graze means to feed on grass. Sting, to prick on wound with a sharp pointed up to venom bearing organ. Nectar, it's a sugary fluid secreted within flower and which is been collected by the honeybees. Okay, so find out many more new words and their meanings also. In exam there would be a question like you have to write or you have to choose the correct meaning from the given four options. Okay, so better prepare for that also. Why did Anita not go to school in the early part of her life? Why? What was the reason? When you'll read the story you'll get the same in first few passages only. Answer is because her parents did not like the idea of girls going to school. Hence, Anita did not go to school in the early part of her life. How did Anita manage to find money to start her beekeeping activity? Okay, how did Anita manage? Anita started to teach younger children to get money. Anita started to teach younger children to get money. Who helped Anita when she wanted to get more time to study? Who helped? Was her parents? Was her friends? Who helped actually? Anita's teacher helped her to get more time to study. What does Anita tell other villagers of the village meetings? Anita tells other villagers about the importance of education. Anita tells other villagers about the importance of education, and she even had started teaching some of the one who were illiterate. Okay, why does Anita want to become a wholesaler of honey? So that she can help the villagers to get the right price of the honey, and that was the reason Anita wanted to become a wholesaler of honey. Why did Anita's parents finally allow her to go to school? Why? When Anita's teacher told her parents that they would not have to pay anything for her education, and it is the right of every child to go to school. That time Anita's parents finally allow her to go to school. Okay, let's listen once again. When Anita's teacher told her parents that they would not have to pay anything for her education, and it is the right of every child to go to school. When Anita's attending her college, how is the beekeeping walk continue? When Anita go to college, her mother prepares the syrup for the bees and takes the honey out of the boxes. Means Anita's parents also helped her in all these activities when they came to know about Anita's struggle. Okay, and the success also. What did Anita do after collecting 5,000 rupees? She bought two boxes for keeping bees, sugar to make the syrup, and medicines to clean the bee hives. So these things she brought, okay, or she took from all the money she had collected. That was the amount of 5,000 rupees. Okay, according to Anita, what is the only thing that a person can really own? That is nothing but dreams. Okay, we can't even own the trees or bees or nothing but only our dreams. What did Anita's parents say when they found that she had spent a day at school without telling anyone? When Anita's parents found that she had spent a day at school, they were very angry. Her father asked, "Who will look after the goats?" And her mother cried, "Who will help me with the housework? Who will help me with the housework?" How did Anita's parents agree to send her to school? Her parents agreed to send her to school because they have seen her curiosity in study. Because they have seen her curiosity in study. What way did Anita find to pay her own school fees? Anita started teaching young children that she used to get money, and she found a way to pay school fees with this money. Okay, she used to take their tuitions, and like that she used to get satisfaction of giving her knowledge to others. At the same time she was earning some money, and that was useful for her to pay her own school fees. So taking tuition was actually helping Anita a lot. How did the older tutors react when Anita started teaching the village children, and why? The older tutors start to jealous when Anita started teaching the younger children, because they were feeling like Anita was taking away their jobs. So they were having feeling of insecurity because Anita was getting very popular among the students. It's because of her unique teaching style. At the same time, she was almost of the age of her peers, those who were her friends or those who were small students. Okay, so she was like a sister for all of them. So the answer is the older tutor started to jealous when Anita started teaching the younger children because they were feeling like Anita was taking away their jobs. So thank you students for watching this video so patiently and carefully. In case of any doubt, please let me know. Thanks a lot. Have a great day to all of you. Thank you.